Hi everybody, this is Sheila. Welcome back to the Crochet Nurse channel. Today what I'd like to share with you is a little Hobby Lobby mini haul that I did just yesterday or the day before. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell. So as everybody knows, every other week Hobby Lobby has a 30% off sale on their yarns, and so typically when I go shopping at Hobby Lobby, I wait till it's that week where there's going to be 30% off, and that's the week that I typically would go over and see what else that they have. But I purposely went this time on that 30% off week because, as I shared, I think last week or the week before, I have my book here, My Crochet Closet from Selena Baca, and out of here I was showing you guys that one of the items that I wanted to make was these shorts. They're called Savory shorts, and they're super cute. Let's see if I can get up there. There's a better picture. They're super cute. They're kind of short for shorts, right? So I'm planning on making these, but I'm going to make them a little bit longer. And so what I specifically went to Hobby Lobby for was to pick up some yarn for this and to see what else they had. Okay, so these are what one of my next makes are going to be. So for that, what I picked up was some sugar wheels, Yarn Bee cotton solids, and this is the color that I picked up. And it's called Endless Sea, and this is a 3-weight, 5-ounce ball, 335 yards. Those shorts call for anywhere between 400 and 500 yards to make them, and I thought this would be a good color for those shorts. For those people who are not familiar with the cotton, these cotton wool sugar wool, it is 100% cotton, very soft. It is a 3. There's the size there, so you can see that. I say very soft, machine wash and dry, and it's recommended to use a 4.5 millimeter hook for this. Now, some people are getting, they'll get the I Love This Cotton, and I consider getting that too. The reason I got this instead of that is I Love This Cotton is considered a 4-weight. I didn't want a 4A, and then B, this is actually cheaper. It was per yard, per 100 yards. This is like $1.25 per 100 yards versus I Love This Cotton, and it too was on sale for 30% off, so it was $2.65 for 180 yards, and it was, I think it was like $1.50 per 100 yards, so this was the better deal. The 3-weight, and it's a little bit cheaper, so I got that for the shorts. And to go with what I got is I went over to the bead department, and then I picked up these beads, and you can see that would look like goes with that really well. And these beads were 50% off because it was 50% off for the beads this week, and so that is going to go with them. So I've not decided how many beads I'm going to put on there yet, but I thought that was a nice mix to go together. So that's going to be my next project, somewhere in between all the Mary Maxim stuff. So once I did that, I also needed a few other items, one of which I needed was a measuring tape. Now, this, just FYI guys, is in the sewing section of Hobby Lobby along with the measuring tape. And this week at Hobby Lobby, all of the sewing section was all on sale for 50% off. And so it's still going to be going on till the end of the week. This guy here was $1.99 for this guy, and me cute, and he came in multiple colors. Cute little guy, and his nose closes it up. But I see these all the time at Amazon for $6. So for $1, this was a great deal. So I actually got a couple of them so I can stash them, because I tend to use these and lose them all the time. So I got that one, and then of course I got the Zoology tape measure, because I keep losing that one too. I lose them all the time. And so this was the regular $1.99, and I got it also for $1. And so I was willing to pay $1 for that. So that was something else that I picked up. So that was in the sewing department. So the beading was on sale for 50%. The sewing was on sale for 50%. I picked up the yarn. Then this time this is a new find for me, was the clearance department. Just FYI for those folks who go to Hobby Lobby, I just found this out this time, that if you go on either side of the store, at least in the store I'm going to, they actually have a little clearance department. I never knew about it. So they have two, one on one side of the store with the yarn and all of that stuff, and then on the other side of the store for other hobbies. Who knew? There wasn't much in it, but I did find something, okay? First thing that I found was some Mimosa yarn. And this was Mimosa, and it was regular, I went and checked, they still have this in stock. It's regular $5.49, and it was $2.19 because the banding was gone. And this is a bamboo cotton, 100% bamboo and cotton. Really nice stuff, and I actually have this in the color, like a reddish behind me, that I will mix this with. So that was a nice find. And then, next thing I found, you guys will love this. This is super cute. Look, t-shirt. Yarn Life t-shirt. Yeah. So this was regular $14.99, $1.49. Nice. That was a nice find. Happy to find that. And then I also, I'll unwrap it as we're talking, found this. I actually got a couple of these. Yarn is my favorite accessory, and this was, I believe, 59 cents. Yeah, 59 cents. So that was a pretty nice find as well. And then, check this out, guys. So this was in the clearance section on that side of the store. And this is what I found. I see this at Pamela's Adoring Crochet, and I've been wanting one. Look at this. I'm going to hide the price for a second. I make cute things with yarn. As we all know, this thing was regularly $16.99, and on the back it was labeled $4.24, but I paid the price on the front. Hopefully you can see it. Right? So I paid $1.59 for this. That was a great find. So guys, if next time you go to Hobby Lobby, like I've been going to this Hobby Lobby for like 2 years, never even knew that I was going for clearance around the store, which is what I read online and saw online from other people, that you go to different areas and you find the clearance, you know, you walk up the aisles and you see the red tags. Well, my Hobby Lobby, they have that, but they also have the clearance section where I found all these great buys. So I got out of that store with enough to make my next project, t-shirt, extra yarn, some little, you know, measuring tapes, those kinds of things for under 20 bucks. So I was pretty happy with that. Yeah, so this is going to go up probably over there in my other section, just so I have it, because that is I'm super happy to find this, super happy to get the rest of the stuff, but I wanted to share. So if you guys have the opportunity, go see if your Hobby Lobby has one of those clearance sections. All right, that's what I wanted to share today. Have a fantastic day. Bye.